What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope all is well with everybody. Family, today I want to bring you update number 4 for the herbs that I have sown for the Plant a Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge. Oh yeah, it's update number 4, y'all. So let's get into it, fam. Let's get into it. We're gonna start down here with the thyme, y'all. Oh yeah. The thyme is looking pretty good, fam. Check it out. Oh yeah. Moving right along, y'all. We have the lemon balm. Oh yeah, we have the lemon balm, family. It's doing this thing. Oh yeah, it's doing this thing, y'all. Next up, family, we have peppermint. Check out the peppermint, fam. Oh yeah, check out the peppermint. Peppermint's looking pretty good, y'all. Oh yeah, the peppermint's looking pretty good. Next up, family, we have the rosemary. Oh yeah, we have the rosemary. Oh, rosemary's looking pretty beautiful, y'all. Yeah, rosemary's looking beautiful. Check it out. And finally, family, we have the chamomile. Oh yeah, we have the chamomile, y'all. Yeah, I still need to thin that out, fam. Oh yeah, the chamomile is showing out. Oh yeah, fam. So that's the chamomile, y'all. The beautiful rosemary. Peppermint. The lemon balm. And the thyme, y'all. So that's update number 4 for the herbs that I've sown for the Plant a Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge. Family, I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. I really, really do. I appreciate all the support, fam. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.